Hey guys, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. So this is planning in my personal wide rings the week of 9/3. So it's just been really rough trying to find a time to do this voiceover. My husband's out of town. I have 4 little ones, if you're new here, and we have a hurricane coming our way. So it's been a crazy week, but this morning I couldn't sleep, so I just thought I would get up and quickly do this voiceover before my kids got up. And you'll see I'm super speeding through it because honestly, I just don't think I have that much time before my little ones wake up. But hopefully it's not too fast and it's still enjoyable. So I'm using the Bow to School leftovers from Scribble Prints Co. And I just laid down the dinner box there to list the dinners that I had. I laid down a little Running Man for our skating practice and then a book at the bottom because I had finished a book I had been reading. I needed to order groceries, so I put the little grocery symbol in there. No, I picked up groceries. That's what that is. And then Tuesday was the first day back to school for all the public schools in our area. And so in our homeschool, we have a tradition where we have a not back to homeschool day. So that's what I'm marking this box for. I loved how that little bow looked in the corner, and I loved this little flag. So this kit was just one of my favorites. I loved the colors. So basically for our not back to school homeschool day, we do something that we, often don't get to do when all the kids are out of school. So like, for instance, this year we went to the trampoline park where it was dead. No one was there. And we just had a ball, having free range jump all over the trampolines. And then we went swimming and we just hung out. We also ended up grabbing Burger King that day for lunch. So I put a little burger and fries icon there. On Wednesday, I was really glad I was able to use this full box because I loved it and I couldn't fit it in my memory spread. So I did want to put it somewhere and make sure that I used it. Again, I'm obsessed with the bows in the corner and you'll see a recurring theme. But this kit was called Bow to School. So there I'm putting a checklist for my work. I usually do that for like my travel agency business just to kind of keep a running list of things to do. I don't mark them every single day, but that way I can check things off on my weekly tasks. I also use the bill due sticker down there because my kids had a piano lesson or their piano tuition due that day, which I was really excited to use a bill due sticker because I never get to use them because my husband handles our finances. So on Thursday, I just put a checklist for our school. Again, I just like to kind of see what we're studying that week and make an overview so that I can note it in our memory planner. I don't do in-depth school planning in this area, but I do like to just kind of know what we were studying that week, and it gives me an overview of our school year. I'm just adding some cute deco to the bottom. I really thought that this kit had adorable deco, and I wanted to be able to use it somewhere. And again, I am doing a YouTube list. So I'm a big fan of just listing. That's my planning style, to where I like to check things off. Even if it's like the littlest thing, it is fun to just check off for me. And obviously I don't think I checked any of that off. So here I'm putting down this adorable little munchkin box. It's like the heart eyes because I had a babysitter who was scheduled to come that day. She did not end up coming. She ended up having a conflict, and I was very sad that the babysitter could not come because it's my one day of the week that I do try to get out and do something, but that was okay. We made it. On Saturday, I got up early and did some computer work. I had to send out some quotes to some clients and book some fast passes that were due at that time. So I just noted that with the little munchkin sticker there. And then we had ice skating lessons in the morning. So I used this foil ice skate sticker from Triple Threat Planner. And then I marked going out to eat because we normally go out to eat after ice skating lessons just because it is a little ways from home and we get done right around lunchtime. For Sunday, I'm putting a to clean. Sunday's kind of the day where I try to get everything around, do the laundry, just restart the week, get our meal prep done, and just that way on Monday morning we can start fresh and not have to really worry about doing all that. I guess I pulled the other one up because I didn't like how it looked, but that looks cute there. And I got this cute little unicorn with groceries to mark our grocery pickup. I'm not really sure where that was from. I was off of a sampler that I had received in an order, so really cute. And then the little meal icon there with the list is to signify the things that I want to meal prep for the week. Back on Saturday, I put a little cell phone that just was to call my mom. I try to at least call home and have a good conversation at least once a week. It just seems crazy. Like I mean, it's not like I don't enjoy calling and staying in touch, but it's hard because I feel like I never get a moment. And when I do get a moment, sometimes I just want to hang out and I don't want to really be talking to someone or being talked to. So then I'm just going back through and filling everything in. So I was actually doing this on Monday, so a lot of that had already happened. Sorry, I'm not like completely in the frame here. I'm working on it, but I give mad props to YouTubers because it is hard to make sure you're staying in the frame and being planning at the same time. Because it's often like pushed a little bit forward, so it's hard to see. Of course, I don't have the super fanciest camera, so I don't have the frame that I can always be looking at. And here's what's left of the kit. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.